Welcome to the Weather Centre on Sunday, where we're expecting quite a bit of moisture in the northeast. That results in a bit of morning cloud, and we're expecting early morning showers over the far eastern part of the Free State. Rain extends through to the northeastern part of the Eastern Cape, with thunder showers and showers from Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal, eventually reaching Limpopo later on in the day. It'll be a hot day for the Northern Cape, with warm air moving in from Namibia, and we're expecting a sunny and dry day over the western half of South Africa, with a bit of cloud along the south coast. Our rainfall probability map shows up to a 60% chance of thundershowers over the northeastern part of KwaZulu-Natal, with isolated thundershowers expected as we head further inland and towards Mpumalanga, with rain in the forecast over the southern part of KZN and the extreme northeastern part of the Eastern Cape. We'll see a warm afternoon for Pretoria, Mahikeng and Bombela, all at 24 degrees. Johannesburg at 22, with a hot afternoon for Vryburg at 28. A mild Sunday is in store for Bloemfontein at 23. Still quite cool for Bethlehem and Vryheid at 20, with highs remaining in the upper teens as we head towards the Eastern Cape interior. 18 for Port Elizabeth, 24 East London, with a moderate southeasterly wind. We're expecting light to moderate south-southeasterly winds from Port St John's through to Richards Bay, with a 1.5 metre southerly swell at 12 seconds along the east coast. It'll be a hot afternoon for Vredendal at 30 degrees, 21 for Graafrenet and Oudtshoorn, with Worcester expecting a high of 23. In False Bay, we're forecasting fresh southeasterly winds with a high of 20 for Muizenberg. Fresh to strong easterly winds are forecast from Hermanus through to Mussel Bay, with a fresh southeaster and a maximum temperature of 18 for Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, and we'll see a 2 metre southwesterly swell at 11 seconds. You'll see that hot weather over the northern part of the Northern Cape, 30 degrees for Uppington, with highs in the mid-20s for Springbok, Prieska and Kimberley. Still quite cool for Sutherland at 17. A fresh south-southeasterly wind is forecast for Alexander Bay at 28, in the mid-20s for Longabaan and Lambert's Bay, with a 20 km/h southeasterly wind all the way through to Table Bay, and along the west coast we'll see a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell at 11 seconds. Hot weather continues in the Northern Cape on Monday, with a high of 34 for Uppington. That also extends through to the Eastern Cape interior, 31 for Graafrenet. We're expecting a few showers for Richards Bay at 22, with a cloudy, wet and cold day for Bombela at 20. That's all from the Weather Centre.